If you're new to riding, there are mistakes almost every beginner makes. Some can cost you money, confidence, or even your safety. Today I'll show you the most common beginner rider mistakes and how to avoid them before they happen. Let's get into it. The sooner you know these, the safer and more confident you'll be on every ride. The most ignored mistake: riding without proper gear. The road doesn't care how careful you are. Accidents can happen to anyone, anytime. That's why a certified helmet, gloves, jacket, and boots are non-negotiable. Excuses like, "It's uncomfortable," or "I'm just going around the block," won't protect you. The gear you skip is the gear you'll wish you had if you ever go down. Helmets save lives, jackets and gloves protect your skin, and boots keep your feet safe. Even a slow-speed fall can shred jeans and leave you with nasty injuries. Gear can be expensive, but it's nothing compared to an ER visit. There are plenty of lightweight, comfortable options now. No excuses. Make it a habit. Full gear, every ride, no exceptions. A classic beginner move: grabbing the front brake lever too hard. Panic braking can lock the front wheel and send you down instantly. Use both brakes smoothly and progressively. Think of squeezing a lemon, not crushing a can. Practice in a safe, empty lot to get comfortable with gentle, even pressure. If you need to stop quickly, start steady and increase pressure as the bike's weight shifts forward. Never just grab and hope for the best. Smooth is safe. Train your hands to stay cool under pressure. Many beginners look down at the ground instead of scanning the road ahead. When you look down, you miss obstacles, traffic, and curves. The rule: eyes up, look where you want to go. Your bike follows your eyes. Look through the corner, not at your handlebars. Before every turn, pick a spot far ahead and focus there. Break the habit early and you'll be a safer, smoother rider. Speed is tempting, but riding too fast before mastering the basics is risky. Confidence should come after skill, not before. Master throttle control, braking, shifting, and low-speed handling first. Only then should you explore higher speeds. Remember, streets aren't racetracks. Hazards are everywhere. Practice in safe, controlled environments to build real confidence. Fast can wait, safe comes first. Cornering trips up many new riders, especially entering turns too fast and braking mid-corner. Slow down before the turn, enter at a comfortable speed, and gently roll on the throttle as you exit. This keeps your bike stable and your tires gripping the road. Don't look at the curb or the ground. Keep your eyes on where you want to go. Practice in empty lots or safe curves to build your skills. Good cornering separates nervous newbies from confident riders. You don't need to be a mechanic, but basic checks are essential. Ignoring maintenance can lead to breakdowns or accidents. Before every ride, check tire pressure, chain tension, oil, brakes, and lights. Underinflated tires or a loose chain can cause serious problems. If you're unsure how, look up tutorials or ask an experienced rider. Make it routine. Your bike and wallet will thank you. A little time on maintenance means less time stranded. Riding slow is often harder than riding fast. Balance and clutch control are key. Without practice, you'll wobble, stall, or even drop your bike at low speeds. Practice in a parking lot, ride figure eights, set up cones, or go as slow as possible without putting your feet down. This builds confidence and control for real-world riding. Parking lot practice isn't boring, it's what makes you look smooth in traffic. Put in the work at slow speeds and every ride gets easier. Every experienced rider was once a beginner. Mistakes are part of learning, but avoiding the dangerous ones keeps you safe. With the right habits, you'll ride with more confidence and enjoy every mile. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more motorcycle tips. Share your own beginner mistakes in the comments. Let's help each other stay safe. And if you have questions, drop them below. I read every comment. Ride smart, ride safe. See you in the next video. Let me know if you need a further reduction or more creative tightening.